Let's talk about a leaf similar tree. So you consider all the leaf of a binary tree from left to right order, the value of those leaf from a leaf value sequence. So this is super simple. So you have a two tree and you want to compare the leaf value in order. So from left to right. So you have 67498, 67498. So you have to know they are matched. So you will have a function just called traverse. So and this is pretty much the solution. So I traverse. I'm going to call list and I just pass in the integer, right? And I will say list. And how do you traverse? So if I'm going to use a recursion, so you can use preferred search by using q linked list, but I'm not using that. And for the recursion, the best case is if the node is actually equal to null, so you return right away, and then you can just add the value to the list, and then you have to check if the node.left is actually equal to null and node.right is actually equal to null. So you say list.add node.out, right? And then whatever you go, right, you can just say traverse node.left, and then this, and then traverse node.right this, right? So you know you will only go once in the tree for the left and for the right. And this is pretty much the solution. And then I'm going to just create a list of integer for tree 1 and tree 2, right? So list of integer tree 1 equal to new array list, and tree 2 equal new array list. Alright, now I need to traverse, right? So I'm going to just call this function traverse root 1 and then tree 1, right? Traverse root 2 and then tree 2, right? Then what you can do is like you have to compare does the size of the tree 1 is actually equal to the tree 2. If they are not equal, I can return false right away, right? So if the tree 1 size does not equal to tree 2 dot size, right? I can say I want to return false. So I don't have to iterate the list right away, right? Then if they are equal, I need to check the value, right? So for int I 0, I less than, it doesn't matter what you use. You can use tree1.size or tree2.size, right? And I plus plus. So you can just compare if tree1.get AI is not equal to tree2.get AI. So you get a value from the index I in the list of the tree 1 or tree 2, right? So if they are not equal, then you can return, and everything else you can return true, right? Return true over here. And this is a solution. So okay, I made a typo, and hopefully this is good. All right, now submit. And yeah, so let's talk about time and space. This is going to be space for each of the three lists. It's going to be all of n. So space is going to be all of n, and this is going to be time. This is the time. You have to traverse every single node in the tree. So I would say all of n. So this will be the worst case. So I'm just saying if the tree are the same, right? So if the tree are not the same, I can say this is a 10 million node, and this is like one node or two nodes, right? It doesn't. It actually the kind of special case of this. But if I'm assuming if they are the same node, and then they do have the same structure, be honest. So for the leaf, they do traverse every single node. So this is a pretty much a solution. Time and space are all of them, and I will see you next time. Bye.